Juggling separate online store platforms and retail management hero, RMH, systems can be overwhelming. RMH Integrated Web Store by x2x-eCommerce offers a seamless solution. Envision effortless management of your hybrid retail business through a unified platform, with real-time inventory updates and online order processing from RMH. This integration is the game changer you need, freeing you from tedious tasks and empowering you to focus on brand growth and customer satisfaction. Stand out with over 25 pre-designed themes, each customizable to reflect your brand's unique style. With our all-in-one integration solution, your online store will operate flawlessly alongside your RMH system.
Empower your customers with a seamless RMH experience. X2X is dedicated to providing comprehensive solutions for your RMH ecosystem. Our turnkey e-commerce platform offers a complete package, including custom website development and seamless integration with RMH. Already using Shopify, Magento, or WooCommerce? No problem. Our flexible integration options ensure a smooth transition. Streamline your accounting processes with our advanced ERP and GL integrations, designed to handle RMH transactions effortlessly. Want to dive deeper? Scan the QR code now to access our exclusive marketing and product materials. As an RMH partner, you're entitled to valuable resources, including detailed product brochures and expert insights. Are you ready to take your business to the next level? Partner with X2X and unlock the potential of the RMH market.